Today we'll talk about how can you change language on your GitHub. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to change your language. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, just click on language here. So then it's going, when you click here on language, it's going to take you to this list. Then here can you select language in this list here on your app. Here can you select language on your GitHub. So that's all you have to do to change it on this list. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.